Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing on program number 10, that is the program on the simple recurrent neural network. Okay, for this also we have to follow the same steps as we follow for the ML programs, and this program can be implemented using the packages of the Keras and the TensorFlow network. And here we'll be using the text dataset, that is IMDb text dataset, which is a movie dataset which consists of 25,000 of the training dataset and 25,000 of the testing dataset. And here we'll be designing a two-layer neural network. One is the hidden layer and one is the output layer. In the hidden layer we'll be using the simple RNN, okay, and in the output layer we'll be using the sigmoid function as the activation function, okay, and then we will be training the designed network for the IMDb dataset, and then we'll be visualizing the results of training versus validation accuracy, and also we'll be visualizing the training versus validation loss. Now considering to the program, as we usually follow, the first step is to import all the necessary libraries. We'll be importing all the necessary libraries from the keras.models, keras.layers, keras.dataset, and also we'll be also considering here the maximum features, because since it is a text dataset, so we'll be considering the number of the features that from that particular text the RNN has to extract, or we have to consider. And each since it is a document of a text, okay, we can consider the maximum length of 500 words over here, and the batch says we are considering it has 32. Now we are loading the data set, okay, using imdb.load data, and we can specify the number of the words is equal to max features, that is the 10,000, or even you can simply specify as it is, okay. You can consider any one of these two, and then we are trying to print a training dataset and a testing dataset over here. After that, we are trying to, since it is a text dataset, we have to normalize it. Okay, for that what we are considering is, we are considering sequence.pad sequences, where is the input train, whatever the size of the text it is there, and we'll be padding to the maximum length, okay. We'll be padding to the maximum length, whether it is a training dataset or the testing dataset. So that's what we are considering over here, okay. So now once we done the normalizing the text data, now we have to consider designing the network. So first step is to consider the sequential function, and then we are in the input layer we are considering the embedding the features, that is the features we are considering it from the text dataset, okay, and that is of 32 neurons, and it has 32 neurons, okay. And then once we are considering the 32 neurons and the max features where the text data it is considering, okay, so totally now we have 3,20,000 features, okay. Now this features has been considered in the simple RNN network, okay, simple recurrent neural network. So with this it will be able to classify the given text data, whether it is likes or dislikes the movie or something like that. Means the text has been posted, whether it is a likes or the dislike, okay. So only two classes are there, that's why we are using the sigmoid function in the output layer, and then also we are printing the summary of the model, so how we are designed, okay. So already I just explained you how to calculate the number of the parameters over here, and then totally now the total number of the parameters that are available to train are 3,22,130, okay. Now after this we will be compiling the model, and we are fitting the model, okay, as you can see here. And after compiling and fitting the model using the training data, we'll be predicting on the test data, okay. We'll be predicting on the test data, as it is said you the prediction data, the test data set, the number of the samples are 25,000, okay. okay, this is about a document. We have to consider that. Now we are just considering how many is been correctly classified are there and how many incorrectly classified are there. As you can see the number here, this number gives the correctly classified labels and incorrectly classified labels. Okay. Now after this we are trying to print the accuracy using the F1 score. So as you can apply this, you can see the average score over here we are getting 0.33, which it doesn't hold well for the given data set. Okay. Now after this we can plot the accuracy versus the validation accuracy or the testing accuracy. So as you can see the curve here, we are plotting it. Okay. And also we are plotting the loss, testing loss versus the validation loss. Okay, so this is training loss versus the validation loss. As you can see the curve over here. Okay, so this is about the considering the simple recurrent neural network for designing a network structure, neural network structure, and applying it on the IMDb text data set. Okay, which is a movie data set. Okay, this is about the program number 8. So sorry, it is about the program number 10. Thank you for listening.